Hi, it's Fiestaro. Okay, so all signs, messages, and energy check-ins and prediction. Okay, kung meron man at tayong makikita, no? So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay, and kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so that's Fiestaro. Yan ang ating FB page. Okay, pareho lang ng name ng ating channel. Okay, so by elements. Okay, by elements muna. I guess tomorrow tayo mag Aries through Pisces. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay, so anong meron? Okay, para sa mga air signs. This is for October 5. Okay, this is for October 5. Okay, so there is partnership. Okay, there is offer. There is offer. Okay, pwedeng mangyari. In general po yun ha. Hindi lang by love, hindi lang pera. Okay, in general. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Someone's expecting. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. The Three of Cups. May nagay. Oh. Okay. The Six of Cups. So, meron ditong naghihintay air sign. Okay. A water sign, an earth sign. Okay. Yeah. Ang lakas ng water sign dito. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Nag-expect, naghihintay ng reconciliation with you. Okay. Some of you, meron kang friend. Ha? Eto ha, nakita ko dito, pwede itong mangyari. October 5. Okay? Meron ditong parang friend mo, okay, na pwedeng mag-open up ng emosyon sa'yo. Meron. Okay? Tomorrow. Yes. Specific yun. Okay? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Ano tong Two of Cups? What's with the Two of Cups? Yeah. Connection. There's a connection coming. I think some of you, this is a past person. Okay? Kung ito ay bago, pwedeng magsimula kayo as friends. Okay? Or pwedeng meron kang friend nga na talagang totally into you. Okay? Yeah, the Fool. So, I think this is may energy ng bago. Okay? It's like a new start. Okay? May ibibigay si universe sa'yo, earth sign, air sign. Okay? So, I think there's an earth sign. Napaligid-ligid sa iyo. Okay? Air sign, merong ibibigay si universe. Okay? Yung paghihintay mo, matatapos na. There is victory coming for you. Trust me. Okay, trust me. Merong paparating ditong offer or sabihin natin kung anong ina-expect mo. I think this is about emotions. Kung pakikipagbalikan to, pwedeng mangyari. Okay, pwedeng mangyari. What's with the Seven of Pentacles? Nakita ko rito ng surprises. Okay? Meron ditong parang bigla ang pupunta na hindi nyo, kunyari, meron kayong gatherings, no? And then, suddenly, may nag-pop up, na isang kamag-anak or I don't know, someone na hindi nyo inaasahan. Okay? That's channeled. Ano tong Seven of Pentacles? Yeah. Meron talagang nagkakagusto sa inyo. You're getting a lot of attention, air signs. You're like the apple of the eye. Apple of the eye. Tama ba? Yes. Some of you, nakakonect mo na tong taong ito. Or sabihin natin, gusto talaga ng connection ng mga ito sa'yo. Mga! Okay, mga. Ano tong Three of Cups? What's with the Three of Cups? Some of you, pagdating sa kaperahan mo, there's progress. Don't worry. Okay, there's progress. There's victory in the near future. Maging talagang pasensyosa lang, ha? Okay, ano tong Three of Cups? Yeah. Ooh. Woohoo. The Six of Pentacles. This is being fair. Or someone parang hihingi or magbebeg sa'yo ng forgiveness or reconciliation. Talaga ito, air sign. Ha? Pero, kung hindi ito nangyayari sa ngayon, okay, pwedeng ikaw to, this is your energy, the Queen of Swords. Pwedeng ikaw kasi yung parang cold na dito. Okay? Detach. Pero meron gusto dito, like some of them, ikaw ang hinihintay nila. They're just waiting. They're just waiting. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Ano tong Seven of Pentacles? May mga humahanga sa'yo. Yes. Ano tong Seven of Pentacles? Oops. Okay. Kunin natin tong isa. Oh, yeah. The Nine of Cups in reverse. This is, sabihin nating, ang tawag doon, a wish opportunity. Okay? Wish opportunity tawag doon. Oo. Na hindi nakuha. Missed opportunity. I mean. Okay? Missed opportunity. Bakit wish? Kasi itong si Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment. Okay? Kaso nakabaliktad siya. So, yeah. It's a, missed opportunity. Okay? Unfulfilled. Okay? May person talaga dito is like thinking of you. Wanting you. Okay? So, in general, there's progress. Okay? There's progress pagdating sa'yo. Dahil ginugusto ka eh. Yeah, ginugusto ka ng marami. Okay? So, there's an offer coming. Okay, next is fire sign. Okay, fire signs. Kumusta ikaw? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Anong meron? Fire signs. Message, energy check-ins, and predictions. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. The Queen of Wands. Oh. Some of you, pwedeng may gagawin pagdating sa sarili. Okay? Pag-i-improve pagdating sa sarili. Okay? Yeah, this is improvement. The Six of Swords. May improve pagdating sa appearance. Okay? The Page of Cups, yes. So, nakaka-intimidate. Fire sign ang iyong sabihin nating kasi iba rito, confident. Okay, so nakaka-intimidate para sa ibang tao yung energy mo. Okay? May nahihiya, may nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Meron. Someone na malayo. Or sabihin nating dumidistansya itong taong to. I don't know. Merong awkward feeling ako nararamdaman dito. Okay? Awkward. Oo, nakakahiya. Parang ganyan. Okay? Ano tong Queen of Wands? Queen of Wands. Ooh. Marami ka bang manliligaw or marami kang nililigawan? Or sabihin nating maraming attracted sa'yo. Yun nga lang, masyadong busy yung iba. Okay, so parang yun nga, nakakahiyang lapitan, nakaka-intimidate, baka i-reject ako nito, mga ganyan. Babae man o lalaki. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Cups. Some of you, ito ha, ah, meron ditong maganda talaga. Meron ditong gwapo talaga. Oo, na nanonood. Okay, alam niyo sa sarili yan. Oo, alam niyo sa sarili niyo yan. Okay. Yeah, ang dami ditong nagkakagusto sa'yo. Some of them, pwedeng past person mo hanggang ngayon gusto ka pa. Yes. And si past person is thinking na you're in another connection na already. Or sabihin natin nakakaramdam sila ng pagseselos. Okay? Dahil hindi mo na sila binibigyan ng attention at all. Yes. So, nararamdaman nila you're giving attention to other people. Okay? Kung ikaw is totally nag-detach na from them. Yes. Okay. So, yung iba naman dito, pagdating sa work, ito nakikita ko, this is channeled. If you're like overly confident, okay? Pwedeng ang daming ipapagawa sa'yo. Kasi feeling nila or tingin nila sa'yo, kaya mo lahat. Okay? Kaya mo lahat. Yan. Okay, that's channeled and pwedeng prediction yun. Okay, ano tong 6 of Swords? What's with the 6 of Swords? See? Attention. You're getting attention. Para kang si air sign. Parang ang daming tao ang nakakuha ngayon ng attention from others. From other people. From other earthlings. Okay? So, some of you, okay, nakikita ko pagdating sa kaperahan, you need to, watch your spending. Watch your spending. Okay? Itong mga, ang tawag dyan, nahuhumaling sa'yo. Nahuhumaling talaga, oo. Medyo malalayo. Okay, malayo sila or sabihin natin may distansya. In general, there's distance. Okay? Ano tong Page of Cups in reverse? The 10 of Pentacles in reverse. There's a person who is like timid or shy na mag-open up about their emotions or about giving commitments. Okay? Parang ganyan, yeah. Yeah, see? Meron ditong bago na gustong mag-offer ng partnership or relationship with you, pero I don't know, some of them nahihiya. Okay, nahihiya. This is new. This is new. Okay, ano tong Page of Cups in reverse? Tingnan natin. There is progress, okay, in general. Yeah, the Tower in reverse. Pwedeng, okay, Three of Swords in reverse. Pwedeng itong taong ito is someone na pwedeng, ang tawag dyan, na-ignore mo. Okay, na-ignore mo tong taong ito. I think medyo bata. Or younger nga, no? Or someone is younger. Okay? So, ito ito, ang nakikita ko pa rito, meron kayong kapamilyar, meron kayong someone na, yes, relatives, ang may gusto sa inyo. This is, okay? Yes, sasabihin ko talaga, meron. Hindi maiwasan. Okay? So, pwedeng kinakalimutan niya yung emosyon niya para sa'yo. This is real talk. Reality check. Okay? Nangyayari yun. Sa iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga kapamilya. I think, malayo-layo naman pero nandoon yung emosyon, pero kinakalimutan. Syempre, kapamilya Yes. Okay? Some of you, the 10 of Pentacles in reverse, pwedeng sabihin nating nakakonect mo na to noon, may nangyaring separation. Okay? Kung may ganyan mang sitwasyon, andyan ka na parang makaka-move on ka ng mas mabilis. Okay? Pero yung person hindi. Yes. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, kumusta na ikaw? Kumusta ikaw? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron pagdating sa'yo? Message, energy check-ins, and predictions. Okay. Water signs. Water signs. The Seven of Wands in reverse. Okay. Death. Okay. Huwag matakot sa pagbabago. Yeah. Yeah. The Ten of Pentacles. Huwag matakot. Kung alam nyo naman magiging maganda ang resulta. And kahit hindi nyo alam ang magiging resulta, kaya kayo natatakot, gawin nyo. Okay? Gawin nyo. Kung kayo papapigil sa mga takot na yan, okay, hindrance yan sa pagbabago. Okay? So, it's like a blockage. May pagbabago pagdating sa kaperahan mo. Water sign. Okay? Yeah. In the near future. Yes. Some of you, magkakaroon ng pagbabago pagdating sa status. Okay? Status. From single to double. Okay? And yeah, from double to single. Yes, nakakita ko ng ganyan. May changes. Okay? Pagdating sa status. Okay? So, tingnan natin itong Seven of Wands universe. Seven of Wands, please. For water signs. Pero in general, there is changes coming pagdating sa stability mo. Yeah. Lalo na sa kaperahan. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Wands. Don't give up before the finish line. Water signs. Don't. Okay? Yun lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Ano tong death? Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so may pagbabago pagdating sasabihin natin sa pagmamanage. Okay? Or I think kailangan mong baguhin ang isang personality meron ka na hindi nangyayari ang pag-usad. Kailangan mong baguhin yon. The Ace of Swords is here in reverse. Okay, parang marami ka palaging dahilan para hindi umusad. Takot. Uncertain. Okay, parang ganyan. Okay, what's with the Ten of Pentacles? Watch your health, water signs. Watch your health. Okay, Ten of Pentacles, please. Yeah, the King of Cups. Iba sa inyo, may naririnig ako nagtatanong, paano po kayang magandang business? Gawin mong business yung something na palaging gustong-gusto mong ginagawa. Yung hindi ka makakaramdam ng pagkabagot. Okay, yung hindi ka makakaramdam ng pagod. Siyempre, nakakaramdam ka ng pagod, pero hindi mo mararamdamang sawa ka ng gawin. Okay? I don't know kung ano yung kanya-kanya yan. Okay? Ayun ang gawin mong business. Okay? Nakakatawa ka kung ang pinakamagandang ginagawa mo is pakikipagmaritesan. I don't know kung paano mo. Oo. Ha? I don't know. Siyempre, hindi kasama yun. Okay? Paano mo yun gagawing business? Or so, siguro, kung magaling ka sa ganito, sa pagboboka, 'di ba? Yeah, yun ang gawin mo. Mag-sales ka. I guess. Magaling ka namang maggawa ng kwento. Yeah. 'Di ba? Okay? So, kung anong gusto nyo na palagi nyong ginagawa, yun ang inyong gawing business. That's specific. Okay? May naririnig lang ako, paano po kaya? Parang ganon. Okay? Some of you, if you're into business na nga, or sabihin natin meron ka ng pinapalakad na business at gusto mong magkaroon ng pagbabago, kahit papano, siguro gumawa ka ng bagong pakulo. Okay, wag mong hayaan na parang flat line kung ano mang meron diyan sa business mo. Okay? This is like all about stability or kaperahan nyo, no? Okay? Someone is stalking you. Water sign. Yeah. Or I think you're the one stalking. Yes. Nakakita talaga ako dito ng pagbabago pagdating sa kaperahan nyo. Yes. Tas mamahalin kayo ng tao dahil sa pera. Real talk. Reality check. Yes. Yun lang. Yun lang. Ganun talaga. Mabango kapag may pera. No? Mabango ka lang kapag may pera. Dito. Pero kapag wala, itsepwera ka. Yes. Diba? Yeah. See? There is success coming. Yeah. Pero, ang nasa ilalim is the Knight of Swords in reverse. Andyan sila every time na meron kang ipamumudmud. Pero, hindi sila palaging nandyan para sa'yo. Okay? Lalo na kung wala silang mahihita. Yeah, yun lang. Well, gawin mo kung anong sa tingin mong mabuti. Okay? Hindi mo na problema yun, no? Hindi na natin problema yun kung hindi sila gagawa ng tama para sa atin. Basta ikaw, alam mong tama ka, alam mong maganda, mabuti ang ginagawa mo para sa iba, sa sarili mo. Wala kang ginagawang masama kapag ganyan. Okay? So, nasa sa kanila yun. Okay, so next, earth signs. Okay. So, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. Earth signs. Message. Energy check-ins. Okay. And prediction. Syempre. Okay. Earth signs. Anong meron for you? Oh. Bakit? The Three of Swords. Oh, yung baba rito ay kumusta? Kumusta mga earth signs? There's an air sign. Parang, I don't know, some of you, meron kayong naka-break, no? Or in a break. Oh, the Emperor. The Page of Cups. Oh, okay. So, pwedeng merong separation na nangyari. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko rito is like, natatakot sila mag-sorry or what. Okay? Dahil, you're too guarded. Like the Emperor. Some of you, mas bata sa'yo itong someone na ito. Okay? So, wag tayong mag-pretend lang or mag-focus lang sa love. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng boss mo ito. Or pwedeng ikaw yung boss. Meron lang gustong mag-say sorry. Okay? Or sabihin nating nakukonsensya. I don't know. Ano ba tong Three of Swords? What's with the Three of Swords? Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Kung ikaw, may separation ngayon with a fire sign, an Aries, a water sign, hayaan nyo na. Tama lang yun. Bakit? Kasi immature sila. Okay? Ang taas ng ego nila. And they're like, hindi consistent. They're like a player. Playing the field. Okay? They're just playing the field. So, huwag ka na masyadong masaktan if ever. Okay? So, ano tong Emperor? What's with the Emperor? For Earth signs. Okay. Iba sa inyo, hindi malaman kung anong landas ang tatahakin. Landas talaga. Oo. Parang laging failed. No? Ang gawin nyo, magkaroon kayo ng solid decision. Tapos, yun yung panindigan ninyo talaga. Yun yung talagang pag-focusan nyo. Hindi yung nakita nyo, ay, medyo struggle. Ay, medyo hindi magandang takbo. Mapasaan man in general. Okay? Tapos, susukuan mo na agad. Wala talagang mangyayari dyan. Okay? So, makakita ka ng iba na, ay, maganda pala yun. Matry nga. Ay, maganda pala yun. Nakita siya doon. Matry nga. Hindi ganun. Okay? Hindi ganun. Nasa tao yun, kaya siya nagiging successful. Kung gagayahin mo, kung ano man yung ginagawa niya, pagdating sa, sabihin natin, kaperahan, hindi pareho ang resulta. Okay? Hindi magiging parehong resulta dahil nakikita mong nabenta siya, baka bebenta rin ako. Doon pa lang sa sinabing baka. Okay? Baka bumenta rin ako dun eh. Hindi ka rin sure. Okay? Huwag kang papasok sa ganyan. Magsasayang ka lang, mag-aaksaya ka lang ng pera mo. Yes. Okay? So, ano tong the Emperor? What's with the Emperor? Think like an Emperor. Ha? Think like an Emperor. The Eight of Wands, Universe. And dito pa ha, wag na wag kang tatanggap. Okay? Sabihin natin, makinig ka sa opinion ng ibang tao. Pero hindi mo trabaho ang sumunod. Okay? Kung sa tingin mong hindi mo kailangang sumunod. Yes. Kung yung nagbibigay ng opinion sa'yo, nagbibigay ng advice sa'yo is someone na wala rin naman, sa tingin mo ba, kailangan mong sundin yung sinasabi niya? Tingnan mo muna, okay, kung anong posisyon ng taong nag-a-advise sa'yo. Before ka sumunod, may sarili kang utak, 'di ba? Okay? Kapag sumunod ka sa taong ganun, mas malala ka pa sa kanya. Real talk. Okay? So, ano tong Page of Cups? The Nine of Pentacles. Okay. In reverse, someone is nahihiya. Being shy. Na gumawa ng action towards you. To commit. Okay? Yeah. Feeling nila, marireject sila. Someone is guarded. Maybe you're guarded. Okay? So, andyan sila like, meron dito ha, sa sobrang ka-groundedan mo. Like, ang tawag dyan, guarded. Okay? Sa sobrang, ganyan, ang nakikita nila sa'yo, pwedeng hindi ka nila kayang kausapin. Nakakita ko dito mga taong nagsa-side eye, doing the side eye. Okay? I don't know why. Mataas ang tingin nila sa'yo, pero nandun din yung sabihin nating may mga hurtful words silang sinasabi behind you, behind your back. Okay? May mga taong inggit, may mga taong nahihiya pagdating sa'yo. Yes. Commitments. Tingnan ko tong 8 of Wands in reverse. What's with the 8 of Wands in reverse? Some of you may mga block. Yung like totally iba-block ka kahit wala ka namang ginagawa sa kanila. Yun. Okay? Senyales yun na bitter. Ano tong 8 of Wands in reverse? Yeah. The 4 of Swords in reverse. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo ha, there's something like a schedule. Okay? Schedule na pwedeng makalimutan. Okay? Dahil sa sobrang kabisihan mo. Yes. Or pwedeng meron kang kailangang kausapin, hindi mo na makakausap dahil sobrang busy. Check your schedules. Appointments. Wow, ang busy. Okay? So, I don't know. Maybe transactions, ganyan. Bayarin, mga ganyan. Tingnan ninyo. Okay, baka may mga due dates na. Due dates? Oo. Okay? So, yeah. Yung past person, playing the field. Hindi pa rin nagko-commit. Okay? Pero ang pinapakita is like, we're the emperor. We. Oo, parang ganyan. Sabihin mo, we. We. Talaga. Oh. Parang ganon. Yeah. Page of Cups universe, the Nine of Pentacles universe. May mga tao talaga na pwedeng gustong lumapit sa'yo pero they're like shy or timid. Okay? So, yun lamang ang ating reading, okay, for you. So, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!